Hey you guys, it's me Trudy, and I am so excited to be here today with you guys. Today I have a really exciting Christmas in July collaboration that I'm involved in. It's a swap 2024, and the official name, and I'll have all that up on the screen, but it's called Christmas in July Swap 2024, and it is co-hosted by a bunch of amazing people. If you guys hear a little pitter patter, that's my little dog. Whenever I start talking on a video, of course they think that I'm talking to them. This video, or this collaboration swap, is hosted by Carol at the Crinkled Path, Angela from the Traveling Crafter, Bianca from BB's Closet Creations, and Sarah from New England Junk Journal. So what it is a bunch of people have signed up to be a part of this Christmas in July. You're assigned a person, and the host of this, they actually have a spreadsheet where the people that are participating can put down some of the things that they like, things they're interested in, their style of crafting, those things like that. And then your Secret Santa gets that information, and based on that information, that Secret Santa can create a gift, or, you know, have a gift for you. So this is from my Secret Santa. I have no idea who this is. It's all secret. It's really fun. I had a whole lot of fun creating for my person and the swap. And also, everybody in the swap are required to do video. I think there are some people that are just posting at the marketplace. I'll have all that information below in the description box. And also, Carol is doing a contest winner. So if you can guess who gave who what, or who's Secret Santa, she's also giving a prize. I believe it's $20 gift certificate, and that is for somebody who can guess who's Secret Santa, and then she'll be doing a drawing. I'm not quite sure, but you can go to her channel and she will give you all that information. So let's see. So this is my first package. I did get from my Secret Santa all my packages in one box, which that is perfectly fine. We were asked to send them by certain days, but you know, sending it in one box is perfectly fine. And I will just open them. They're all dated, as you can see here. This one's dated when to open it. And so today is the 12th, I believe. Yes, Friday the 12th. So as you can imagine, I am very excited to open my gift from my Secret Santa. And so I am going to go ahead and get started. So she wrapped it in this really cute tissue, and then I have a little tag back here. It looks like a little what are those called, you guys? I can't even think. I don't know. It's early in the morning. The kids are in the other room. I have my grandkids here, you guys, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and rip it. So yeah, look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Let's see what the cards. I'm so excited. I'm sure you can hear the smile in my voice. All right, so it says, Happy Christmas in July, Trudy. Have a holly jolly day. Your Secret Santa. Isn't that cool, you guys? I love this. I love this whole community and how that works out. Look at this. So I said I love vintage, which I do. I love vintage and traditional. I love all that sort of stuff. But look at the detail in this, you guys. We have some lace here, vintage. Looks like paper, and there's some like gold leafing at the bottom. I love this with the little vintage teddy bear. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. You know, these are beautiful. I have been thinking about doing something with tags for years, and my birthday is in December, and I always thought about doing a Christmas tree, tag Christmas tree. And so that is something that I may really do. I love this. You could tell this is all vintage. Oh, wow. Thank you, Secret Santa. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I love the stitching up here. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I hope you guys can see. The lighting isn't the best. I'm in my room. Yeah. So. And look at this one, you guys. Vintage postcard, it looks like. Oh wow, I love this. There's some, it's layered. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, this is so awesome. Secret Santa. This is really cool, Secret Santa. This, oh look, it has the seal. Wow. I'm kind of in awe here. This is so beautiful. It's double layered, you guys. It's, oh wow, that's really pretty. I love vintage Christmas and all that. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. Curious. This, so I love Tim Holtz, you guys, and I love the stuff that he does, but look at this. This kind of looks like Groucho Marx, maybe. I don't know, but it's beautiful. Wow. This is huge too. This is about probably about 8 inches. So this one opens up. Oh, you guys, this is just gorgeous. Look at that. These might be all like Tim Holtz papers. It looks like it's decoupage. Wow, this is really nice. All the trims. And then look, you guys, an old letter, December 7th, 1914. Oh, I love this. My dear uncle, your kind letter received, was so glad to hear from you. Thought that perhaps you had forgotten me. We have been having some dreadful weather. It has been so bad that no one could work and did not go to school Thursday or Friday on account of the hold on. On account of the I can't read. Church today, Brother Pittman, one of the Nashville Bible School teachers of, I can't read that. Guess you are getting ready to move. Glad that you all are coming to see us and want you to be sure and come for, I don't know, are going to, if you have time, write us before you come, but can excuse you for my not writing so often. I know. Oh, you guys. That's cute. Let me see. father logs well are real nice. Okay, I'm not gonna read it. This is from Bernice. Okay, your loving niece Bernice. So Bernice wrote her uncle, and yeah, so this is awesome. I love this. And here's another tag in here. So isn't that cool? I love that it's dated December 7th. Pearl Harbor Day, right, you guys? 1914. So I'll put that together in just a moment. But you guys, look at this. This is beautiful. Thank you, my Secret Santa. I love everything. Thank you for taking the time to craft away. I am so, like, I don't know, sort of blown away at the community that that I'm very honored to be a part of. This is awesome. I love crafting, you guys, and I love crafting with other people who are like-minded, and this is just like a bonus to being able to do this. So thank you, Secret Santa. You did an amazing job, and I look forward to seeing all of you guys's creations and going through this is going to be so fun to be able to go for the next 3 weeks. I get to go through a bunch of videos and see what everybody got. And so, yeah, so you guys, if you don't know any of these crafters, please go on and subscribe to them. Show them some love. Comment on their videos. Everybody puts such time and effort and love into some of their creations, and it'd be really nice for you guys to just go on and just take a look. You're going to get inspired. That's for sure. So, yeah. So, anyways, thank you guys for being here. I'll have all the information on the bottom. Browse into some of these channels and have fun. Get inspired. Get creative in July. All right, and just so you guys know, I'm gonna have some announcements coming up. I'm getting my videos ready. I'm gonna have some things coming up on my channel, so be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys. I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now.